Hello. So the van's windows has decided that it doesn't want to come down anymore. Now, I think problem is pretty obvious here. This window lifter channel is what grips the window and moves it up and down as you move the handle. So the channel link has just rusted away on either side. And also the rubber has decayed inside it as well, which means that the channel has just effectively blown out. It's bent out on a couple of different sides because it's rusting there. And you can see there's bits of it coming off in my hand. So it can't grip the window and it can't move it up and down. Right, so I think this should be a pretty simple fix. I just bought a new one, a new lifter, and a new rubber to go into it as well. Although you might notice something a bit weird about this. It's substantially smaller than the one that's there at the moment, but this is the only one I could find, and these are definitely for these vans. Like that design, you don't find that on Beetles or anything, so I don't think I've mixed up a Beetle one with a bus one. So yeah, I'm just going to take the old one off here now, and we'll fit this new one, and then try and attach it to the window. Right, the old one's off. Does not look good at all. You may as well ask the window nicely to stay in than use this thing. So I'm just going to bolt this onto the window lifter itself. I've also run a little bit of grease up here where the window lifter slides up and down, just to ease its movement a bit. Because I don't think it was greased at all. I'm just pushing the window down into the door to get it to meet up here with the lifter. So the new lifter is bolted on and the window is sitting down into it. What I had to do was actually put this rubber onto the window itself first, and then drop the window down into the lifter channel. Getting the window in with the rubber inside the lifter channel is it'll be very difficult. But it's gripping the window now, and I can move the window up and down. So good test of this, and what was actually causing it to fall out of the lifter channel on the old one was when the window's fully closed and sealed up into these seals at the top here. When you go to drop it down, the window lifter was pulling off, and now it's not. It's pulling the window down. So that's like the most force that would be on the lifter, and it's doing its job, which is great. So yeah, that's another little niggling problem sorted out on the van. Hope you found that interesting, and I'll see you again in another video.